Welcome to Decor Studio. We are so glad you are here for today's presentation on home decor ideas and inspirations. Today, we are exploring how to create a living room that feels effortless, natural, and cozy for the holiday season using simple, organic elements that bring the outdoors inside for a warm, festive atmosphere. The beauty of natural elements. Embracing nature is the first step toward a timeless holiday look. Start by gathering pine cones, cedar branches, and dried orange slices to add texture and a wonderful scent to your living space. These organic touches create a grounded feel that avoids the clutter of too many plastic decorations or bright artificial colors. Focus on earth tones like forest green, wood brown, and soft cream to maintain a cohesive natural palette. Mixing different textures such as raw wood and woven baskets helps to ground the room. These elements work together to build a foundation that feels authentic and deeply connected to the winter season without being overwhelming for your daily home life. Minimalist mantel styling. Your fireplace is often the heart of the living room during the winter months. Instead of a heavy garland, try a light asymmetrical drape of real greenery like eucalyptus or silver dollar pine. This off-center look creates a modern yet cozy aesthetic that feels curated rather than forced or overly formal. Add a few brass candlesticks of varying heights to provide a warm metallic glow against the green leaves. A simple strand of warm white fairy lights can be woven through the branches for a subtle twinkle. This minimalist approach allows the natural beauty of the wood and stone of your mantel to shine through while still looking festive. Finish the look by hanging a few knit stockings in neutral shades like oatmeal or charcoal gray. Avoid heavy patterns and stick to solid colors to keep the visual weight light. Small wooden tags with names can add a personal touch without disrupting the clean lines you have established. It is all about balance and intentional placement of every item. Cozy textiles and layers. Comfort is key when the weather turns cold outside. Swap out your lightweight summer pillows for chunky knit covers and velvet cushions in deep autumnal hues. Layering different fabrics creates a sense of luxury and warmth that invites you to curl up on the sofa with a hot cup of cocoa. A faux fur or heavy wool throw blanket draped over the arm of a chair adds instant texture. Do not be afraid to mix and match patterns like subtle window pane or classic herringbone as long as they stay within your natural color story. These layers not only look beautiful but serve a practical purpose for those chilly December evenings. Consider adding a soft jute or high pile rug under your coffee table to ground the seating area. Softening the hard surfaces of the room with textiles makes the entire space feel more enclosed and intimate. This layered approach is the secret to achieving that sought-after cozy cabin vibe right in the middle of the city. Soft, warm lighting secrets. The right lighting is essential for setting a holiday mood. Move away from harsh overhead lights and instead use a variety of floor lamps and table lamps with warm-toned bulbs. This creates pockets of light and shadow that make a room feel much more inviting and dynamic during dark evenings. Candles are a must for any natural holiday decor theme. Place unscented pillar candles in glass hurricanes or use beeswax tapers for a traditional touch. The flickering flame provides a living light source that artificial bulbs simply cannot replicate. Be sure to place them safely away from any flammable greenery or low-hanging drapes in the room. Incorporate battery-operated candles inside lanterns to tuck into darker corners or near the base of the tree. This ensures a consistent glow throughout the room without the worry of open flames in high-traffic areas. Lighting should feel like a warm hug, guiding the eye gently around the room to appreciate all your beautiful holiday details. Organic Christmas tree decor. A tree does not need to be covered in tinsel to be stunning. Opt for a real fir or spruce and decorate it with wooden beads, paper stars, and dried berries. This organic style highlights the natural shape of the tree and lets the scent of fresh pine fill your entire living room. Use a vintage galvanized bucket or a large wicker basket as a tree skirt for a rustic touch. This hides the metal stand while adding to the natural aesthetic. If you prefer a traditional skirt, choose a heavy linen or burlap fabric in a soft tan color to keep the look consistent with your other decor elements. For ornaments, consider handmade items like salt dough shapes or clear glass baubles filled with tiny sprigs of rosemary. These small details make the tree feel unique and personal. The goal is a tree that looks like it belongs in a peaceful forest, bringing a sense of calm and serenity to your home this season. Tabletop accents and greenery. Your coffee table and side tables are perfect spots for small vignettes. A wooden tray filled with a few sprigs of cedar and a single white candle creates a simple yet effective focal point. These small arrangements bring the holiday spirit to every corner of the room without taking up space. Use bowls of walnuts, cinnamon sticks, or red apples to add pops of color and natural fragrance. These edible decorations are sustainable and can be composted or eaten after the season ends. Using items from your pantry is a clever way to decorate beautifully while staying on a budget and reducing waste in your festive home. Vases filled with bare branches or winter berries can add height to your surfaces. The stark beauty of a few branches in a ceramic pitcher is often more impactful than a large bouquet. Keep these arrangements simple and airy to maintain the effortless look that defines this natural holiday style throughout the entire living area. Creating a festive entryway. First impressions matter, as your living room usually flows from the entrance. A simple wreath made of fresh greens on the inside of your door sets the tone immediately. You can even add a few small bells for a gentle sound every time someone enters your festive home. Place a small bench or stool near the door with a basket of cozy slippers for guests. This small gesture of hospitality makes people feel welcome and comfortable right away. Adding a small bowl of pine-scented potpourri or a reed diffuser nearby ensures the first thing people notice is the smell of the holiday season. If you have a console table, keep the decor minimal with a single strand of garland and a bowl of vintage ornaments. Avoid overcrowding this area, as it needs to remain functional for keys and mail. A well-styled entry acts as a bridge, leading your guests into the cozy sanctuary of your main living space. Final touches for coziness. The last step is to step back and ensure the room feels balanced. Adjust your pillows, straighten the ornaments, and light the candles to see how everything works together. Thank you for watching our guide to natural holiday decor. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to Decorio Studio for more. Beyond the visuals, think about the sounds of the season to complete the experience. Soft acoustic holiday music or the crackle of a real fireplace adds another layer of sensory delight. These subtle background elements help to cement the mood of peaceful relaxation that we strive for in a natural home. We hope these ideas inspire you to embrace a more organic approach to decorating this year. Remember that the best homes are those that reflect the people who live in them. Thank you once again for being part of our community. We wish you a very warm and cozy holiday season ahead.